everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine sinking your teeth into a creamy, spicy chicken tikka masala. Picture it, vibrant colors, the aroma of exotic spices, and perfectly cooked chicken, all paired with a side of fluffy, aromatic rice. Stay tuned to see how this delightful dish comes together. Gather these simple ingredients to embark on your culinary journey. Start with half a kilogram of chicken breast. Cut into small pieces. You'll also need half a cup of natural yogurt and the juice of 1 lemon to bring a tangy zest. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 cloves of crushed garlic will add a rich base. Flavor it up with 2 teaspoons of tikka masala spices and season with salt and pepper to taste. Include half a cup each of tomato sauce and cream and a 1/4 cup of tomato juice. If desired, fresh coriander for garnish adds a refreshing touch. With these ingredients ready, let's move on to marinating our chicken. Marinating the chicken is where the magic starts. Let's begin by creating a flavorful bath for our chicken. In a large bowl, combine half a cup of natural yogurt with the juice of 1 lemon. This acidity is not just for tang. It tenderizes the chicken, making each bite succulently soft. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which will help our spices cling to the chicken and add a subtle richness. Now, add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Garlic not only infuses our marinade with a pungent kick, but also complements the robust spices that follow. Speaking of spices, add 2 teaspoons of tikka masala seasoning. This is where our dish begins to whisper hints of the exotic. Season with salt and pepper to taste, giving everything a good stir to combine. Next, introduce the chicken pieces to this fragrant mixture. Toss them until they are thoroughly coated in the marinade. This ensures every nook and cranny is packed with flavor. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate. Let the chicken marinate for at least 2 hours. This patience pays off as the flavors deepen and meld beautifully. While our chicken bathes in those rich flavors, let's prepare for the next step. Now let's cook our marinated chicken to perfection. Start by heating a splash of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, gently lay the marinated chicken pieces in the pan. The sizzle should be music to your ears, a sign that your pan is at the perfect temperature. As the chicken starts to cook, the aroma of spices fills the air, tantalizing your senses. It's crucial here to let the chicken sear undisturbed for a few minutes. This allows the pieces to develop a lovely golden crust. After a few moments, flip the pieces over to ensure each side gets an even cook. The goal is to achieve a rich golden color all around, while ensuring that every piece is fully cooked through. Keep turning the chicken occasionally, watching as the spices meld and the chicken absorbs the flavors, becoming irresistibly tender and perfectly cooked. With our chicken beautifully browned, it's time to bring our sauce together. The final step is all about the creamy, tantalizing sauce. After the chicken has been beautifully browned and is emitting delightful aromas, it's time to transform this dish into something truly special. Start by pouring half a cup of tomato sauce into the pan. Follow this with a 1/4 cup of tomato juice. Stir these ingredients well, ensuring the chicken pieces are lovingly coated and the flavors start to marry. As the tomato base begins to simmer gently, the magic ingredient comes into play: half a cup of cream. Pour it in slowly, stirring continuously. Watch as the sauce thickens, turning into a velvety river of flavor that cascades over the tender chunks of chicken. This is where patience pays off. Allow the sauce to simmer, stirring occasionally. As it cooks, the sauce will reduce slightly, intensifying the flavors and achieving that perfect, creamy consistency. A good sauce is all about balance, so take a moment to taste it. Depending on your palate, you might find the need for a pinch more of salt or a dash of pepper. Adjust the seasoning to suit your taste, ensuring every spoonful is as tantalizing as the last. Once the sauce is silky smooth and the chicken is cooked through, it's almost time to serve. But first, ensure everything is perfectly combined, and the chicken is coated with that rich, creamy sauce, ready to tantalize the taste buds. Let's plate up this culinary masterpiece. Our chicken tikka masala is ready to impress. Serve this tantalizing dish hot, accompanied by fluffy rice or warm toasted bread. For an extra touch of freshness, sprinkle some chopped coriander on top. Dive into this flavor-packed dish and don't forget to share your creation with us. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.